Welcome to a powerful exercise of transformation. Welcome to a powerful exercise of transformation. Welcome to a powerful exercise of transformation. In this moment, you will take full control of your story. The story you've been telling yourself. The one that may have held you back. And transform it into a story of empowerment. In this exercise, we'll look at a moment in your past that shaped your confidence and shift your perspective. You'll discover the strengths, lessons, and growth that came from this experience, moving you out of the role of the victim and into the empowered victor. As you go through this process, I encourage you to approach it with an open mind. Let go of the familiar, limiting perspective and allow yourself to see the situation with new eyes. This is where transformation begins. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Take another deep breath and feel your body relax as you settle into this moment of reflection. You're about to rewrite your story from a place of strength, and it starts with a shift in perspective. Step 1. Choosing the story. I want you to think back to the negative belief or event you uncovered in the previous exercise, the one that significantly impacted your confidence. Perhaps it's a moment of failure, a hurtful comment, or an experience where you felt inadequate or small. Whatever it is, allow that event to come into focus now. Don't judge it, just observe. Once you have that memory in mind, take a moment to write down the original story you've been telling yourself about it. What has this event meant to you up until now? Maybe you've told yourself, "This failure proves I'm not cut out for success." Or, "That moment showed me I'm not good enough." Write down the exact narrative you've been carrying around, the one that shaped how you view yourself. Step 2. Rewriting the narrative now. Here's where the shift happens. You've been telling yourself one version of the story. But what if there's a different version? One where this moment actually made you stronger, more resilient, or wiser. Close your eyes for a moment and take a deep breath. As you exhale, imagine stepping outside of yourself, seeing that version of you from a distance. You are no longer in the emotion of the moment. You're an observer, watching that past version of yourself go through the experience. Now, from this neutral place, ask yourself, what did I gain from this? What strengths did I develop because of this event? Maybe it taught you resilience, the ability to keep going despite setbacks. Perhaps it showed you how to set boundaries, or how to persevere even when things felt impossible. Even in the most challenging moments, there is a gift. Find that gift now. Take this new perspective and begin rewriting the narrative. For example, this failure didn't prove I'm not cut out for success. It showed me how to be resourceful and resilient in the face of challenges. Or, that criticism didn't mean I wasn't good enough. It pushed me to grow in ways I never thought possible. Write your new story down now, focusing on the lessons, strengths, and growth that came from this experience. As you write, feel the shift happening within you. This is your own story, and you are choosing to see it in a way that empowers you. Step 3. Anchoring the new narrative now. Read the new version of your story to yourself. Read it aloud if you can, or silently if you prefer. But let the words sink in. This new narrative is the truth. The old story no longer defines you. As you read your new story, feel the power of it. Notice how it reframes the past and reinforces your strength and resilience. This isn't just a change of words, it's a change of identity. You are no longer defined by what happened to you. You are defined by what you've learned and gained from it. Step 4. Keep your new story close. This new narrative is a reflection of your growth and potential. Keep it somewhere visible, a reminder of how you've turned challenges into opportunities for strength. Anytime you feel self-doubt creeping in, return to this story. Let it remind you of who you are, what you've overcome, and the limitless potential that lies ahead. By rewriting your story, you've taken one of the most powerful steps toward transforming your confidence. You are no longer the victim of your past. You are the empowered victor of your own life. Your new story is your new reality. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the weight of the old story leaving you, replaced by the lightness of this new truth. You are strong, resilient, and more than enough. This is your narrative now. Embrace it.